Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get the Frostspike Seed on Grow a Garden. So this is a new weather. As you can see, there will be like 5 kind of like platforms, and you'll need to sacrifice 5 of your fruits. But you must submit a fruit of rarity divine or higher, so you cannot submit like berries. That's why I submitted all these plants, and after that the Ice King will reward you with the Frostspike Seed, as you can see. But that is how you can get it. I got it from the admin abuse yesterday, but hopefully there will be another weather like this soon. So just keep your divine fruit in your inventory so you can immediately submit it and sacrifice it. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.